I decided to use OneNote as my note-taking tool in this assignment. And here are my notebooks, and I use this notebook basically for personal use. And here I have some quick notes and reminders for me. And I have 3 sections, and I have 1 page for this section. And then under this section, I have 3 pages. And then I have different notes, and I inserted a picture. And here, if I go to my other notebooks, and this notebook, I have my badges section, and then I have different notes. And then here, I clipped a video from YouTube, and then I clipped this web page. And if you want to clip a web page, basically all you have to do is click here on this icon, and then you can choose whether you want a full page, a region, an article of the page, or to bookmark the page, and then where you want to clip it at. And here I'm going to clip it in my badges section. And as you can see, here it is. And then here I have, under my cases section, I have 3 pages. Then I have some notes for case 1. And then here I have some highlighted things and annotations that I made, and I tagged them important. And then I also clipped another page here from my blog.